y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I am up at the crack of dawn. I'm headed to this car wash up here. Today is stupid cold, so we got a tent, we got a booth, we got a few cars in my car group that's in the show. So I want to get there early with them and support and all that, get some content. But first I need to wash my car. As you can see, my window is extremely dirty. So yeah, I'm going to this car wash over here, wash the car, then I'm gonna go get me some food, then link with everybody. Normally I would prefer to do my own wash, but for one, it's too cold, and then for two, I'm kind of in a time crunch. So I'm using this touchless wash out here. It's actually one of the best touchless washes. I don't like the ones with the towels because those mess up your paint. So this one right here is like real strong, and plus you get to chill. So yeah, I actually kind of like coming to this one. All right, chat. So the car's clean. I just loaded up on some extra dry towels, tire shine, and wheel cleaner. So yeah, I'm about to go link with them real quick, and then we're gonna head to Stoopicold. We here at the gas station. We waiting on a few more people. But you know, as always, we got J-Mo on the BBS's. We got me, Ryan pulled up in his work truck because we needed a table. Tristan, Maddie right here, then Don back here in the scat. But yeah, we waiting on a few more people, and then we're gonna be on the way. Lander Center, literally right across the street over there. So it's cold as shit, but we're gonna have a good day today. All right, y'all, we made it out here to the Lander Center at Stoopicold, Slammedenuff Stoopicold, however you want to say it. But this right here is our booth, JBZ Jack Boys. We got Maddie booth card, J-Mo booth card, Tristan and Don. Here go the merch, stickers. Pull up, get what you need, what you want. All right, so we're gonna make our way over, go look at some of the cars. Here go one of the drip cars right here. Yada. All right, y'all, so I came all the way up to the front because I wanted to start with these cars here, because these tough right here. I think these are the people who over slammed enough. I think these they cars. But this G, I think these works. The wheels, they works. Infinity, yeah. Deep dish. Yeah, this tough right there. The wide body. I like that carbon hood. The Supra, wide body Supra. Oh. It's like, what is that, Louis V or whatever? But they got it slammed enough. And this tough. I ain't never seen that before. A bagged, I think this bag, yeah. 5.0 bag, clean. Another soup. This one don't look lower. This look like stock ride. Cause look at the wheel gap in the back. I don't know. It's clean though. This Supra, I like this color. Oh, in the sun, that hit. I like that. I think that one bagged too. There's also a drift event too. So I'm gonna get some shots of the drifting. Got a Stang out there drifting now. Another Stang right behind it. Bro, it's a Corvette. God damn. It's a Corvette that's been drifting today. But whenever they be out there drifting, that car sounds amazing. That's a Lexus E36, a Z. Try to find a Vet before I take off. I see it. This black Vet right here sounds amazing, not gonna lie. That vet sound amazing, bro. is the homie Parker right here. All right, y'all, just step away from some of the drift stuff. Kind of hurt my ears. Let's look at some of the cars they got. This right here. This is hard. That chrome wrap on it. I like this. You got the E46. They all got similar wraps. This is hard. I like that black. The black on chrome is just crazy. What is this, R33, R32? I don't know. I just know the R34 look stand out a little bit more, but that's clean. I like this. Then you got a bunch of booths right here, selling merch, stuff like that. Detailing world right here. This Porsche right here is nice. It's clean. What kind of wheels are that? I don't even know. That interior though. That interior is nice. That's a manual too. Island DS. The big wang on it. I like the green though. You normally don't see Porsches in bright colors like this. So that's nice to see. Wide body kit. This look real good. The green on brown. The green on brown is tough. Bro, that's a big ass turbo. And you got the hood scoop for it too. Damn. Right hand drive. What is it on bags too? Oh, that's nice. Oh, okay. All right. Austin. What's up, bro? You all right? Yeah, this is 240. Super clean, the buggy seats. Looks good. Love it. BRZ right here, wide body. Oh, that's Camber Cody. It's a Accord? Oh, that purple Accord is nice. That purple hit it. Yeah, I like this. You got the Civic right here. That hood is aggressive as hell. Carbon. It looked like a Decepticon by the hood. Like, it just looked mean. Damn, bro. Back up off me, bro. Yeah, this GTR tough. I like the red on it. Damn. Spooky Roll Auto. Then you got the Supra right here. I still want a Supra, and it's on TEs. Oh my God, chrome TEs. Everybody doing chrome TEs now. I kind of wanted to do it for a while, but I don't even know if I can afford TEs. So let me shut up. But yeah, this is clean as hell. I want a Supra. This Grip Royal car right here. This is nice. I like the red seats on this too. Bro, this E46 right here, LS swapped. This shit hard. He be here every year. This LS swapped too? Damn. Ah, damn. It's an S14. This is clean. That carbon is nice. I fuck with this wagon right here. Yeah, this wagon is tough. I want me a wagon. Not like this one, but like maybe like a G81 or something like that. One day. This right here, the bagged 5.0, I like it. The only thing I don't like about it is the spoiler. The spoiler is, I don't know, it's just kind of weird. It's on bags though. The trunk is creative. I just don't like the spoiler, but everything else about it, I fuck with it. Then you got a G right here. He's gonna go drift. Hear him get out his way. I got 2 more G's. This red one right here is hard. He's gonna pull out, so let me walk around the back. The chrome wheels is tough. The green Civic is hard. I like it. On the ESRs. Another Civic right here. Damn. Okay. That's tough. I like this too. Manual. I don't know if he drift or not. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if this one drift. I think I seen it out there. I'm not sure, but the Arteon or Arteon, however you say it, on bags is tough. I love these wheels. You don't see these that often. It's different. I like it. I like the blue. I really like this. What is this all? GSF? Oh my gosh, this, I don't know if this is a GSF or a GS350. I can't tell. But this is hard. The silver on the silver on silver, that hits. It's a 350, but it's still, I still like it. Yeah, this is clean. Oh my God, this is an Impala. This shit long as hell. This is a long ass car. Oh, this is my homie Jay with the Type R. They came down with us to Gatlinburg. His shit's so hard. He got carbon everywhere on this damn car. And he got another Z. This is tough. Carbon everywhere too. With the red, I like that. I want an Integra so bad. These be looking so good when they done right. The blue seat, the white on blue is already hard. But I want one, bro. It's just, they just, bro, like, they just look like they so easy to just make look good. I don't know what it is about them. They just, I want one. It's a RX-7? Bro. Is that an LS swap RX-7? Oh my God. On the butter seats. I like this. I like that for sure. You got an E90 M3 on the BBS's. I believe he was here last year too. But he had different wheels last year. All right, we got a 5.0 right here. Then we got my homie Cam right here with the Accord. This shit sitting clean. What's good, Ron?
2021 Toyota Supra right here. Finished up on the wrap. Added some gloss on the, on the hood and whatnot.
Oh, you already did the gloss?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
The Audi TT. Is this a RS? It might be. Not sure. It's just an S. It's still clean though. I like it. That white. I don't know. White cars be looking so simple and clean. Like you don't have to do much to them. R34. Damn. Okay. All right. Then you got the Z right here. This red, like a matte red. It looks really, really good. But yeah, going through, I'm really curious to see who gonna win. Who gonna win some of the prizes and stuff like that. I'm not sure. I hope like J-Mo or Maddie win something, but you never know out here. So I'm about to go sit down for a little bit, try to find something to eat, and then I'll check back in later once they start announcing some of the winners and some of the stuff. All right, y'all, so these two trucks pulled up late. I don't know what's done to this one, but this F-150 right here, twin turbo, oh my God. That is absolutely crazy. This green is beautiful too, but the twin turbo kit, I want to see it drive. Got the lightning badges on it. Super clean interior. Damn, it made me want to get a truck now. All right, chat. So for the most part, a lot of people leaving. It is about like 4:30. So we about to head out too. It was actually a pretty good day. I'm a little upset that they didn't do the judging and stuff today because I'm not coming tomorrow. So hopefully the people that do come tomorrow, they let me know what the results is, because I really hope some of the people in our group won. But yeah, I'm finna head out. I'm super tired since we've been up since 7 this morning. We pulled a whole shift here at the event, but yeah, I'm finna head out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's also a demon right there leaving randomly. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like if you have not already. That's gonna be it for this video here. You guys have a good one. Peace out.